Hi, my name is Frank, and today I'll be talking about a combination and permutation question. 4 students are running for student council. One of them will become president, 1 vice president, and 1 the secretary. How many different ways could these 4 students be elected to student council? So, let's write out the different positions first. President, vice president, and secretary. Now ask yourselves, how many different choices are there among the people for someone to become president? There's 4 choices, right? Because you can choose each of the 4 students. Now, when we move on to the vice president, there's only 3 choices now, because one of the people has already been chosen to become president. Okay? And now we move on to the secretary. And going with the same logic, there's only 2 people you can choose from now, because one person is president and one person is vice president. So only 2 people that you can choose from. Now, to find the total amount of ways that these 4 students could be elected to the student council, we need to times these all together. Okay? That's how we find the total amount. So let's times them together. 4 times 3, 12, times 2 equals 24. So that would be the answer, 24. But there's also a formula that you can use when doing these type of questions. But before I go into those formulas, you must need to know the basics. What a factorial is. A factorial is where you times a number and all the numbers below it together, and it's represented by an exclamation mark, like this. So that's 4 factorial, and 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, all the numbers below it, okay? Equals to 24. Okay, so now let's go into the formula. These are the formula. The formula for permutations is this, and this is where order matters. The formula for combinations is, and combination is where the order does not matter. In our case, the order does matter, okay? So we would be using this formula. So now let's use it. There's 4 students, so we can choose from 4 people. So that's 4 factorial. And if we refer back to the formula, it's n minus r. So 4 minus 3, the amount of positions, on 4 minus 3 factorial. And that equals to the answer. So 4 factorial, as we show here, is 24 on top of, what's 4 minus 3? 1 factorial, which is this, 1. So the answer is going to be 24. So those are 2 different ways you can do this question. Thank you.